Welcome on board our other guests as well. We of course have Kunal Botra and Naresh Mirani who join us as always. And for a fundamental check on the market, we also have Varun Saboo joining us. Varun, hi, good afternoon. Thank you so much for speaking with us. The rally has been quite intriguing and interesting for the Indian markets. 18,100 is on the cards. But which are the sectors you think which will lead the rally from here on? Which are your top bets?
Yeah, thanks so much for calling me again on ET Now. And I think I have mentioned before, I'll mention again, remain very bullish on banks still. There is still some good rally pending in banks. The fortunate bit for the Indian banking system was that we were pretty reasonably priced. And that's what is now reflecting where the valuation correction is happening. So obviously liquidity is one part where FI liquidity is coming in, but they're chasing in the stocks where valuation is comfortable, where business is strong, and all the banks are looking like delivering very strong credit growth. Asset quality is absolutely in place. So I think banks are going to definitely lead the pack from here. I would still remain bullish on discretionary plays considering how Indian consumption has been. So I would still be bullish on the auto sector, particularly Maruti. I would be still bullish on some consumer names, durable side, particularly Crompton Consumer from here. So yeah, these are the names which I like from here.
Okay, interesting. Are you worried with what's shaping up when it comes to the IT space?
I really don't think so. I think this is an opportunity. IT is shaping up to be in a similar scenario how banks were for the last, say, 1 year or so. So this is a phase where they're consolidating. This consolidation might be there for some time. Obviously, there's a lot of noise around US inflation, interest rates, etc. But the beauty is that every time there is a higher likelihood of a higher hike, the likelihood of Fed pivoting also becomes higher, right? So I think we might be in a scenario where everything is peaking in terms of dollar, in terms of how the yields are shaping up, etc. So I think this is a very good time to accumulate IT. And honestly, none of the IT companies so far have mentioned any concerns. They have just been saying that clients are on the caution, are highlighting caution, but not that anyone has cut any budgets, etc. I think that is one space which is looking good to accumulate from here from at least 12-month perspective from here.
Holding companies.
Interesting. Thanks very much for giving us those details. Varun, I just want to take it across to you. Basis the analysis that we've done on the holding companies, do you have any thoughts?
I think there are two very interesting names which I consider as holding companies also. So one is Grasim and the other one's L&T. I see a lot of value in these as well. And I think that in a bull market, which we are kind of in, I think these are the best place to be in. So yes, I am very bullish on L&T and Grasim from here. Yeah.
Varun, what about the entire cement pack? A massive rally is what we have seen in these names, and there is this lot of talk around consolidation in the sector. Is there any stock that you deem could be a likely candidate? Because the likes of India Cement is up 10%, Nuvoco Vistas is 9% higher, JK Lakshmi Cement is up 12%, and the street is banking that given the fact bigger players have entered into the market, there is going to be a lot of consolidation. What's your take?
I see a clear-cut play over here in the form of Ultratech. That's one of the best names available. Valuation-wise, also, it's not in a it's not in an expensive zone, and other stocks have caught up much more than what they should have. And Ultratech literally has done nothing versus what the stock should be at. And the way what we keep hearing in terms of our channel checks, the way volume growth should shape up to be, I think Ultratech is a very good play from here.